Let us see the multiplication of numbers by 9. If you want to multiply a number by 9, how many 9s are here? 1 9. So, first of all, write that number and put 1 0 to that number and subtract the number itself from that number, we will get the answer. If you multiply a number by 99, how many 9s are here? 2 9s. So put 2 zeros to that number and subtract 153 from that number, we will get the answer. If you want to multiply a number by 999, how many 9s? 3 9s. So put 3 zeros to that number, 8434 000 and subtract 8434 from that number, we will get the answer. Let us see the multiplication of a number by 9999. How many 9s are here? 4 9s. So put 4 zeros to that number, 1534 0000 and subtract 1534 from that number, we will get the answer. That is multiplication of numbers by 9. Next is squares of numbers starting with 9. If you want to take the square of 91, in order to reach 100, what we added to that number is 9. That means 100 minus 91 is 9. So take the square of that number 81 and take the double of 91. 91 into 2 is equal to 182. 182. We must not write 1 to that number because in order to take the square of 91, there must be 4 digits. That means 91 into 91. Here we have 4 digits. Or otherwise we cannot start the number with 1. So the answer is 8281. In order to take the square of 92, to reach 100, we must put 8 here. Take the square of 8, 64 and take the double of 92, 184. But write only 84. Hence the answer. 95 square. To reach 100, 5 must be written here. Take the square of 5, 25. Take the double of 95, 190. Put only 90 to that number. Hence 4 digits. 98 square. Write 2 here. Take the take the square of 2, 04. 04 must be here, 04. Then take the double of 98, 196, write only 96 here. That is a square of numbers starting 91 up to 99. Like that, 991 square, 996 square, 9998 square, 9987 square. Let us see how like this. 991. To reach 1000, we must put 9 here. So take the square of 9, 81. How many digits are there? 3 digits. So put 1 0 to this place and take the double of this number. 2, 8, 9. That is the answer. 996 square. Put 4 to this place. Take the square of 4, 16. How many digits are here? 3 digits. So put 1 0. Take the double of this number. 2, 9, 9. That is the answer. 9998. Here we can mark a line under this. 98. Like this. 96. Like this. 91. That is better. 98. 2 must be right here. So the square of 2 is 4. Here we have 4 digits. So put 3 zeros here and take the double of this number 6, 9, 9, 9. That is the answer. 99987. Write a line here. Last 2 digits only. 87. Write 13 here to reach 100. Take the square of 13, 169. How many digits are here? 5 digits. So put 2 zeros to this place. And double of this number is 4, 7, 9, 9, 9. Here we have 10 digits. Here we have 8 digits. Here we have 6 digits. Here we have 6 digits. That's all. Next is product of two different numbers starting with 9. If you want to multiply 91 to 98, 92 into 96, 93 into 95, 996 into 997 and so on. 91 into 98. We can mark a line here. Here also only for 2 digits. In order to reach 100, put 9 here. In order to reach 100, put 2 here. And take the product of 9 and 2, 18 here. And take the sum of 91 and 98. Sum is 80, 189. Hence write only 89. Like that. Mark line here. 8 here, 4 here. To reach 100. Product of 8 and 4 is 32 and take the sum of these two numbers 188, put 88 only here. In order to reach 100, put 7 here and put 5 here. Product of 7 and 5, 35. Take the sum of this number 188, so put 88 only. In order to make reach 100, put 4 here, put 3 here, take the product of 4 and 3, 12. How many digits are here? 3 digits. So put 1 0 to this place and take the sum of these two numbers 3, 9, 9. Let's answer. Like that. 9, 9, 9, 8, 7 into 9, 9, 9, 9, 8. Mark a line here. Here also only for last 2 digits. Put 13 here. Put 2 here. Take the product of 13 and 2. Write 26. But here we have 5 digits. Here also 5 digits. So put 3 zeros, add 3 zeros to this number and take the sum of these two numbers. That is 7 plus 8, 5, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 1, 18, 1, then by 9, 9, 9, 9. That is the answer. Let us see the product of numbers starting by 9 but different digits. For example, 998 into 92. Here we have 3 digits, here we have 2 digits. So mark a line here, here also. Put 2 here to reach 100, put 8 here to reach 100. Take the product of 8 and 2, 16. And take the sum of these two numbers. These two numbers 998 and 92, right, like this. Take the sum 8, 1, 9. 918, 918, 16 total 3 digits plus 2 digits, 5 digits must be compulsory in the answer. Nine 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 6 into 994. Mark a line here. Here also. Here we must write 4 here. We must write 6 here. Take the product of 4 and 6, 24. How many digits are here? 3 digits. So put 1 0 to this place. Take the sum of these numbers 9996, 994. Answer is 6399 9936 024 is the answer. Another example is 9998 into 9994. Mark a line here, here also 2 here, 6 here. Take the product of 6 and 2, 12 here. Here we have 4 digits, so put 2 zeros to this place. And take the sum of these two numbers, 9998, 9994. Take the sum 83999. The answer is 999380012. Another example is 9996 into 993. Put 4 here, put 7 here. Take the product of 4 and 7, 28. How many zeros? 1 0. Take the sum of these two numbers, 99996. Then 993. Sum is 96 299. 99296 028 is the answer. The next class will be the multiplication and squares of numbers other than 9. Thank you.